Hello Magadini, my name is Tanisha. I am 7 years old. This is a Shona lesson and today we are learning verbs. Talking is kutaura, again kutaura. Seeing is kuona, again kuona. Looking is kutarisa, again kutarisa. Writing is kunyora, again kunyora. Laughing is kuseka, again kuseka. Eating is kudya, again kudya. Bathing is kugeza, again kugeza. Listening is kuteerera, again kuteerera. Playing is kutamba, again kutamba. Walking is kufamba, again kufamba. Running is kumanya, again kumanya. Singing is kuyimba, again kuyimba. Learning is kudzidza, again kudzidza. Sleeping is kurara, again kurara. Thank you for listening. My channel Kuterera. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and find us on www.shonandebelletwitter.com. Thank you.